Namaskar, IMD welcomes you in its daily weather briefing program of 25th April 2023. So this briefing is dedicated for overview of a realized 24 hours weather, maximum temperature scenario and weather forecast and warnings for next 4-5 days over different parts of the country. So if we look at yesterday's maximum temperature actual map, you can see that most parts of the country is realizing 34 to 40 degrees Celsius temperature, mainly over this parts of South Haryana, south parts of MP, South Chhattisgarh, South Odisha, and below than that, that is South Peninsular India. Otherwise, this Punjab, Haryana, and this Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and parts of East and Northeast India reporting the temperature in the bracket of 34 or below. So this is the temperature scenario. If we look at maximum temperature departure yesterday, you can see that because of thunderstorm, lightning, gusty wind and hailstorm activity over most parts of the country, this parts of northwest, central and east India reported below normal temperature of the order of 4 to 6 degrees Celsius. So if we look at realized weather yesterday's and heavy rainfall and thunderstorm activity, we can say that eastern parts of Uttar Pradesh, eastern parts of Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Vidarbha, Telangana, etc. reported hailstorm activity. And if we see the heavy rainfall realization of yesterday, so we can say that Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Telangana reported heavy rainfall at 1 or 2 stations. So if we look at today's synoptic system, so we can summarize here that today we see a fresh western disturbance over southeast Iran and neighborhood. And yesterday's WD moved ahead and now seen over south parts of Uttar Pradesh and adjoining areas. And we are having one north-south trough from western parts of Vidarbha to south interior Karnataka with associated cyclonic circulation over western parts of Vidarbha. So this is realized weather and synoptic systems and 24 hours weather. Now we see today's warnings, that is for applicable for next 24 hours. So we can see that this orange color is given to the parts of central and adjoining north peninsular India, that is Chhattisgarh, Vidarbha, Telangana and Marathwada region, where thunderstorm, gusty winds, hailstorm, etc. are likely to be reported at 1 or 2 stations during next 24 hours. And if we look at remaining parts of east, northeast and south peninsular India, where there is a likely of chance of thunderstorm, lightning, gusty winds, etc. over these regions during next 24 hours. If we see the heavy rainfall possibility, this is issued by IMD for this Kerala, Tamil Nadu and South India Karnataka during next 24 hours. Otherwise, you can see that over most parts of northwest India, western Lennar region, no significant weather is likely during next 24 hours except Uttarakhand and eastern parts of Uttar Pradesh, where some little possibility of thunderstorm and lightning during evening hours of today. If we look at map of 26, you can see that most parts of the northwest India is looking for green color only. So this shows that no weather, severe weather is expected during period of 26th of April. However, some influence of fresh western disturbance may see over Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh with the possibility of thunderstorm lightning over these regions on 26th. And otherwise, most parts of central, south peninsular India and northeast India, where thunderstorm, lightning and gusty wind activity likely. However, on 26, orange color is given to eastern parts of MP, Vidarbha and this Marathwada and Telangana region, where chances of hailstorm also likely on 26th of April. If we look at heavy rainfall possibility, this activity likely to continue at 1 or 2 stations over Kerala. Otherwise, most parts of south peninsular India is likely to experience thunderstorm and lightning activity on 26th as well. If we look at map of 27th of April, you can see that this plains of northwest India also likely to get thunderstorm, lightning and gusty wind activity. And Rajasthan, there is a possibility of dust storm on 26th as well or at 1 or 2 stations. However, if we look at the central and south peninsular India and northeast India and east India, you can see that the activity of thunderstorm likely to continue on 26th of as well. If we look at the heavy rainfall possibility, this activity is likely to continue at 1 or 2 stations over Kerala on 26th also. On 28th, you can see that the map is almost more or less with similar situations of thunderstorm, lightning and gusty wind activity to continue over these regions, especially over northwest India, central India, east, northeast and south peninsular India. If we look at the map of 29th, The same situation is likely to continue on 29th as well over northwest India, central, south peninsular India and northeast India also. But green color shows mainly over Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Gangotri, West Bengal, Sub-Saharan West Bengal, Sikkim, Gujarat and along the west coast of Konkan and Goa and Tamil Nadu and our islands where no significant weather is likely on 29th of April. If we look at the discomfort weather during next 24 hours because of high temperature and humidity, this discomfort may likely over Kerala and Kutch during next 24 hours. As we can see that no significant change is expected over temperature with little possibility of increase during the next 2 or 3 days over northwest and central India. However, after this increase, only below normal or normal temperature likely over most parts of the country. Therefore, no significant heat wave conditions likely during next 5 days over any parts of the country. This is all about today's briefing. We will discuss again tomorrow with updated information. Till then, namaskar.